Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss another exciting tutorial on CSS Selector, that is Adjacent Sibling Combinator. Before moving ahead, let me explain what is Adjacent Sibling Combinator and how does it work. The Adjacent Sibling Combinator only targets elements that are immediately next to each other. If other elements come between them, the styling would not apply. It is represented by a plus sign. And remember the points. Both elements must be children of the same parent element. The targeted element must come immediately after the first element. The syntax for using the Adjacent Sibling Combinator is: first selector targets the first element you want to match. Second selector targets the element that comes directly after first selector. The plus symbol signifies the adjacent sibling relationship. Let's move to practical examples. In this example, we will change the style of first paragraph that is directly following by H3 heading. The selector has changed the style of only first paragraph. Now apply it on multiple headings and paragraphs. Copy all code and paste it 3 times. Yes, it works on all the paragraphs that are directly following H3 heading. Let's move to second example. In this example, we will see when someone clicks on the label text. The checkbox will be checked or unchecked. If it is checked, the paragraph will show, otherwise it will hide when checkbox is unchecked. The checked selector matches that input is checked, then paragraph should be displayed. It has been good. You can apply it in different situations. Now we see another similar example, the toggle menu. How you can create it. First we have to hide the nave menu. Like the previous example, we will use checked selector. Yes, it is working well. I think a little more style should be given. When the button is checked, its background color should change. Now it is better than before. In this example we see, if the user enters an invalid email, the color of the submit button should change to red. And it should be green when entering a valid email. If you are thinking, it is confusing code, I shall put the link of code in the description, from where you can download. Let's check by entering valid and invalid email. It is working nicely. Like this, you can show validation errors on runtime. It is the last example. In this, we will see how you can create caption of an image. It is very simple example. Here we will style the paragraph immediately following the image. You can see the changed paragraph style, which is right after the image. That is all in this video. I hope you will use the Adjacent Sibling Combinator in your next project. Goodbye and happy coding.